Taos, New Mexico, 1993. 2% of the town wakes every night to a low, relentless hum, like a diesel engine idling inside their skulls. Only they can hear it. Visitors hear nothing. Microphones pick up silence. The sound never stops. It vibrates bones, triggers migraines, nosebleeds, and panic attacks. People sell homes, flee, and go mad. One woman records herself sobbing, "Make it stop." Scientists swarm with spectrometers, seismographs, and even brain scans. Zero source. The hum defies physics, too low for most ears, yet it drives dogs crazy and rattles windows. 30 years on, Taos still hums. Sufferers call themselves hearers. Some say it's secret military tech. Others whisper the earth itself is screaming. At night, the desert is quiet, unless you're one of the cursed who can hear what's underneath.